Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy, he held a meeting with the Tollywood actors as well as the filmmakers. Telangana Chief Minister says that he has in fact assured Tollywood actors and filmmakers that his government stands with the Telugu film industry and made it clear that there will be no compromise on law and order. Revanth Reddy also said that celebrities must control their fans and the industry must be responsible. The meeting was held at Telangana State Police Command and Control Center at Banjara Hills in Hyderabad. The delegation of influential people from Tollywood was led by Telangana Film Development Corporation Chairman Dil Raju. Among other attendees were actors such as Nagarjuna, Varun Tej, Sai Dharam Tej, Kalyan Ram, Shiva Balaji, Adavi Shesh, Nitin and Venkatesh.
The crucial meeting between the Chief Minister Revanth Reddy and the film industry personalities has come to a close, and a lot of things were discussed in this meeting. Looking forward the way ahead, how the film industry in Telangana, Tollywood can work in tandem, in collaboration with the government, both extending support to each other, extending olive branches. One important highlight from this meeting was that CM has announced that there shall be no longer benefit shows for promotion of these films. I am currently being joined with Jagdishwar Reddy. He is the president of the Telugu Films and Producers Council of Andhra Pradesh. Thank you for speaking to NDTV, sir. Sir, first off, what is the benefit of these benefit shows?
There is no benefit of these benefit shows. Some producers, they are telling that they spend more money and they have given a representation to the government and hiking the prices. This benefit shows no one has no benefit. In the previous days, benefit show means it will go for the charity.
But now, what happens now? Where does this money go from the benefit shows?
Thus, this money is going for the film personalities. These personalities, these heroes and these directors, more money, more expenditure. They have taken this benefit show and other shows, extra shows also. One show rates also increased. In this GOs are coming latest only. Previous there is no benefit shows and everything.
Well, I'm currently joined by my colleagues Tanushka Datta and Uma Sudhir. Uma, to you first. It seems that Revanth Reddy has put the onus on the celebrities and the industry altogether.
See, I've spoken to multiple people who were at the morning meeting, including some top producers, a director as well. And what they have told me is that they are all going back very, very happy after this particular meeting that has happened. What one producer told me was that an ice has been broken and the way forward has been spoken about. He said, the Chief Minister, in fact, jokingly said that this whole thing about, there was an incident where Allu Arjun is said to have forgotten or had forgotten the Chief Minister's name during the success ceremony, and some people had attributed it to the reason why he is now going to jail. And the Chief Minister, in fact, joked about it and said that that is, too minor an incident, and for that to be highlighted makes no sense. But that the Chief Minister had, in fact, elaborated on the vision that he has for Hyderabad, saying that he pointed out that in the last 1 year, 8 to 10 films have got the incentives and the special rates, tariff rate hikes, and the premier show requests that had come to the government, and almost routinely the government had in fact considered their applications and went ahead with the applications. What these film producers told us is that the Chief Minister had sought their help for 3-4 issues. What he had said was that we will support you to try and make Hyderabad the global film capital. We are with you on giving incentives and other support that the government can extend. Benefit show, as of now, they have not spoken about. In fact, the producers are also saying that it is not a big requirement for the film industry. It's only a few, very handful of films that in fact may require an increase in the tariff rates so that they can make the money in the first few days of the film itself. And in fact, one top producer told me that they would rather have varying rates during the peak weekend and the non-peak weekdays as well, and that has better benefit than having a benefit show. And they said that that, some films that have a very big budget, they tend to want to have this tariff rate hike, but most of the time he said 80% of the producers wouldn't even want to ask for that, and already the exhibitors had also expressed themselves against it. So overall, what the industry is saying is that while the mention of the case was mentioned, they had all mentioned that they were sorry for what had happened at Sandhya Theatre on December 4, but nothing more of that incident had been discussed, and they had only spoken about the road ahead, and they had spoken about what can be done to make Hyderabad that kind of a place for film world. And in fact, the producers said, just like Microsoft and Google have their headquarters here, why shouldn't Netflix have its headquarters here? And therefore, we must bring in that kind of an ecosystem and technology to Hyderabad to make it that center, attract the best in the world, so that you are a platform not just for the film industry, but also the other industries like the advertisement industry as well could come to Hyderabad. So all of them seem to suggest that they were relaxed and they had an open discussion, and the Chief Minister was also very open to the suggestions and had said that there is no reason for any of them to presume that the government is going to be hostile. He had also pointed out that it is during the Congress government time that land had been allotted to the multiple studios that have subsequently been set up, bringing the industry, in fact, from Chennai to Hyderabad, where the bifurcation had happened in 1956, and subsequently the industry here has grown hugely, and that is something that the government is also keen to continue to be on that road of progress. So all of them were in agreement that while the case can go on, the investigation in this particular case will go on, the law and order will not be compromised, and therefore, whether say private security or bouncers, regulations will be there for that, and celebrities also would need to take some responsibility, is what the government has told them, but that they would support the industry on every other count, and they are the industry, at least leaders who I spoke to.
All right. I'm also currently joined by my colleague Tanushka there. Tanushka, you have been tracking this story for some time now. In this particular meeting, the Chief Minister, he said that the government stands by the film industry. At the same time, he also, in a way, put the onus on the makers of the film, the producers, the people responsible to put out that content, saying that the celebrities, they must also control their fans. Just break it down for us. What exactly happened in that meeting?
Right, Osama, while on one hand, the Chief Minister definitely said that his top priority remains law and order maintenance, they also said that, and they will be supporting the film industry, the government has also decided to create a new brand image for the Telugu film industry, better known as Tollywood, and ensure that this industry prospers. Plans of, making Hyderabad as a global capital for cinema and, movies is the dialogue that was shared from the representatives of the film industries as well. The big producers and directors were present there. What we also understand is that definitely the Chief Minister has put the social responsibility of crowd management, fan management as well onto the celebrities at their promotion events. The government has already issued special orders to 8 films, and police grounds have been given to Pushpa 2 film promotions. On the lines of, the government has also accorded equal importance to the film industry on the lines of the importance given to, say, an IT industry as well. A cabinet subcommittee meeting will be constituted to resolve all problems of the film industry, and the industry themselves also from their side will also form a committee additionally. Now, of course, we understand that the Film Development Corporation chairman, Mr. Dil Raju, is the one facilitating these conversations and, sort of mediating, acting as the mediator between the film industry and the government at this point. And he will be, also facilitating further conversations between both the government and the film industry representatives to ensure that this sort of a support from both sides is maintained, and both sides continue, or take up their side of the bargain in this meeting that happened today, wherein a positive, it ended on a positive note from both the ends. Both parties put forth their own point of views. The film industry put forth their own problems that they are facing, and some sort of a resolution was come about by bringing all of this to the attention of the government.